Welcome to Rajasthan, a realm where the sands sing tales of valor and the landscapes whisper the legends of old. Nestled in the northwestern part of India, Rajasthan is a tapestry of colors, steeped in a rich history that dates back to the days of Maharajas and their majestic forts. Here, the scenery varies dramatically from the stark beauty of the Thar Desert to the lush greenery surrounding ancient palaces and serene lakes. Prepare to embark on a visual journey through some of the most spectacular sceneries Rajasthan has to offer. First, we explore the golden city of Jaisalmer, a mirage in the heart of the Thar Desert. Imagine a city sculpted from golden sandstone, standing proudly amidst vast stretches of golden sands, where each grain tells a story of antiquity and adventure. This is Jaisalmer, a city that seems to emerge from the sands of time itself. The heart of this enchanting city is the Jaisalmer Fort, a formidable structure that dates back to the 12th century. Unlike any other fort in India, it is a living fortress with shops, hotels, and ancient residences sheltering within its massive sandstone walls. As the sun travels across the sky, the fort's yellow sandstone glows warmly, first with the bright light of noon, then deepening to rich golds and oranges as sunset approaches. It's during these golden hours that the fort looks as though it's rising directly from the sands, a sight that captures the essence of Jaisalmer's enduring charm. Beyond the fort, the majestic sand dunes of the Thar Desert unfold. Here the sands shift and dance with the winds, creating patterns that are never the same twice. For those who visit, a camel safari is a must, offering a way to experience these undulating landscapes just as the caravans of old once did. As the evening falls, the desert sky turns into a canvas painted with stunning shades of orange and gold, making it a photographer's paradise. From the golden sands, we now travel to the serene blues of Udaipur. Now let's dive into the tranquil waters of Udaipur. Nestled in the heart of Rajasthan, Udaipur, often referred to as the Venice of the East, is home to the mesmerizing Lake Pichola. This enchanting lake, artificial yet astoundingly beautiful, was created in the late 14th century and has since been a haven of peace and beauty. Its shores are graced by the majestic city palace, which stretches along its eastern banks, a marvel of architecture reflecting the rich history of the Mehrangarh kingdom. As the sun rises and sets, the lake transforms into a canvas, mirroring the changing hues of the sky. The reflections of the grand palaces, including the famed Jag Niwas and Jag Mandir, and the surrounding Aravalli hills in the lake's still waters, create a calming, picturesque setting that seems almost surreal. The gentle ripples in the water, caused by the soft breeze, add a touch of dynamism to this serene landscape. Boating here is not just a leisure activity, but a journey through time, as each stroke of the oar takes you closer to the heart of Udaipur's heritage. The sound of water lapping against the sides of the boat blends perfectly with the whispers of history that the breeze carries. The lake is also a cultural hub, hosting vibrant festivals such as the Gangar Festival, where the city comes alive with music, dance, and a spirit of joy. The sight of intricately decorated boats and the procession of devotees adds layers of cultural richness to the already stunning backdrop. After the tranquil blues, the vibrant greens of Mount Abu await us. Climbing up from the heat, Mount Abu offers a refreshing retreat. Nestled in the Aravalli range, this quaint hill station stands as a verdant oasis in the largely arid expanse of Rajasthan. It's a place where the air is noticeably cooler, and the scenery shifts dramatically from the golden hues of the desert to the lush greens of dense foliage. Mount Abu is renowned as Rajasthan's only hill station, and serves as a popular getaway for both tourists and locals alike. It's a world apart, draped in a tapestry of coniferous trees and dotted with charming British-style bungalows. The cool climate here is a gentle reprieve from the scorching sun that characterizes much of the state. As we venture further, the landscape ascends to Guru Shikhar, the highest point in Rajasthan. Standing at this peak, one is treated to a breathtaking panorama of the surrounding hills and valleys. It's a perfect spot for those who seek solace in nature's embrace or those who simply wish to capture the perfect photograph. Below the lofty heights of Guru Shikhar lies the tranquil Naki Lake. Legend has it that this lake was carved out by the gods with their nails, or nak. Today, it's a peaceful spot where visitors can enjoy boating or stroll along its shores, admiring the unusual rock formations and a variety of distinct flora and fauna. Leaving the soothing greens of Mount Abu, we now step into the heart of Rajasthan's wildlife. Venture into the wild with the majestic landscapes of Ranthambore. Nestled in the eastern part of Rajasthan, Ranthambore National Park stands as a beacon for adventurers and nature lovers alike. Originally the hunting grounds of the Maharajas of Jaipur, today it is revered for its protected tigers and enchanting natural beauty. The park is a tapestry of vibrant ecosystems, where dry, deciduous forests intersperse with lush greenery and expansive lakes. As you traverse through these landscapes, the dramatic contours of the Aravalli and Vindhya ranges sketch the horizon, crafting a backdrop that looks as though it has been drawn by the gods themselves. At the heart of Ranthambore's allure are its majestic tigers, the undisputed stars of the park. These magnificent creatures roam freely, and catching a glimpse of them in their natural habitat is nothing short of breathtaking. But the park's wildlife extends beyond these striped predators. It is a sanctuary for a plethora of other species: leopards, sloth bears, hyenas, and countless birds that color the sky and serenade the air with their calls. Dotting the park are ancient ruins, remnants of a bygone era. The most iconic among them is the Mehrangarh Fort. Perched atop a hill, the fort offers panoramic views of the park and stands as a silent witness to the history and stories that have unfolded in these lands. From the thrilling encounters of Ranthambore, we now turn to the architectural marvels of Jaipur. Our journey concludes in the vibrant streets of Jaipur. Affectionately known as the Pink City, Jaipur is a spectacle of color and history, where every street corner tells a story steeped in the rich tapestry of royal heritage. Let's start with the breathtaking Hawa Mahal, or the Palace of Winds. Constructed with a stunning 5-story exterior resembling the honeycomb of a beehive, this architectural marvel features 953 windows. These intricately designed jharokas were built to allow royal ladies to observe everyday life in the street below, without being seen. Its radiant pink hue, catching the golden sunlight, creates a photographer's dream. A stone's throw away is the Grand City Palace. A fusion of Rajput, Mughal, and European architectural styles, the palace complex is a testament to the splendid royal history of Jaipur. The palace's courtyards, gardens, and museum display the opulence of Indian royalty, making it a must-visit for anyone who wishes to delve into the regal past. Not far from the hustle and bustle, you'll find the Jantar Mantar, an astronomical observatory that looks more like a collection of giant sculptural instruments. Built by the founder of Jaipur, Maharaja Sawai Jai Singh II, this UNESCO World Heritage Site offers a glimpse into the astronomical genius of the past, with the world's largest stone sundial. The terracotta pink buildings that line the streets give Jaipur its nickname and make it a haven for photographers and culture enthusiasts alike. As our journey through Rajasthan comes to an end, let's dream about where to wander next. We've traversed through golden deserts, serene lakes, lush hills, wild forests, and royal cities. From the rippling dunes of Jaisalmer that glow under the sun to the tranquil waters of Udaipur's Lake Piccola, each scene has offered a unique glimpse into the heart of Rajasthan. We ventured into the cool green retreats of Mount Abu, where nature whispers ancient tales through the breeze. In Ranthambore, the untamed beauty of the wild majestically unfolded before us, reminding us of the delicate balance between man and nature. Then, there was Jaipur, the Pink City, where history and modernity dance in a vibrant embrace, its streets a palette of vivid colors and spirited tales. As this journey comes to a close, think about the moments that captivated you the most. Was it the silent, sandy stretches of Jaisalmer, or perhaps the reflective waters of Udaipur? Did the greenery of Mount Abu refresh your spirit, or did the royal allure of Jaipur steal your heart? Maybe it was the raw, natural beauty of Ranthambore that held you in awe. Share your favorite scenes in the comments below. Let's relive these memories together and dream up new adventures. Which part of the world should we explore next? Comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe to help our channel grow. Until next time, keep exploring.